So we're having some problems with the mini lathe. This little pulley right here is all wobbly and don't know what's going on. We're gonna try to figure it out. That's what's up next on Cricking Around. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we're starting to have some issues with the mini lathe, which is kind of depressing because I ain't had it all that long. So what's going on is this little pulley right here. It's a tensioner pulley. Whenever it runs, I'll show you in a second, but whenever it runs, it's wobbly and it's making a loud clicking sound. I tried looking at it. There's a retainer clip inside here. I took that out, but this can't just come off. So what it is there's a tensioner back behind this right here is a tensioner screw. Take his back plate off, there's a bolt in here. You just pull that whole pulley off. So if you watch this pulley, I'm gonna turn it on, watch what this pulley does right here. You can see that all wobbly, you can hear it clicking. That's coming from somewhere back behind this pulley. So now we're going to take this back panel off. So if you look up in there right here, you can see a nut right there. We take that nut off, then that's going to allow us to pull that whole pulley off. We need to take this out. Alright, so there we go, we got the pulley off. Let's inspect it and see what we can find out. So looking at this, what we have is, there's another bolt on the back here. It holds this little spacer block. That's for the set screw that I just took out. And this whole little block right here, if you can see, there's a roll pin right there. Let's punch that roll pin out. Then it looks like another retainer clip in there. Maybe we can get that retainer clip out. It looks like it might just be a couple bearings. So let's see what we can come up with. So what I did, I can't get this block to come off here even after I took that little roll pin out. So I reached in behind there and I took the retainer clip and I got it loosened up, but it won't pull out. Right now I'm just going to use a little punch and go from the other side. See if I can, it's probably pressed in, if I can punch it out. And it ain't working, so quite honestly, if I mess it up, I'll find a new one. So I take it over to the vise and put it in there. I got it knocked out. It looks like the bearings are just bad. I mean, you shouldn't have grease coming out like that everywhere. So we're going to try to get these bearings out. See if I can't get another set of. They're just regular little roller bearings. I don't know what they're really called, but we'll see about getting a couple of them. Try to get them put back on. We'll be back. So I started kind of picking at this, try to get this bearing out. You can see in there. Sorry if the light messes it up. The whole bearing carriage is blown apart. There's a big chunk over on the other side. So we're going to get this out, see what we can come up with. All right, so I went in town to a local supply store. Got us a new bearing. All right, so we got that bearing back on the spindle. You can see it down in there. We got it back on the pulley. I just got to put this snap ring back in. We'll be ready to put her back together and see what we can, hopefully, we can have some good results. All right, so we got it all put back on. Got that bolt put back on the inside here. Got this lined up this way, this block. Okay, we got everything tightened up. Let's try it and see what happens. Fingers crossed. So as you've seen, that took care of the problem. Thankfully, it was an easy fix. It sucks that I've only had the lathe a couple months and it's already had an issue like that, but it looked like it was just a bad bearing that they put in. It came apart. Thankfully, it was an easy fix. So I hope this helps somebody else out if you're having any kind of issues with anything like that. Maybe check the bearings. I'm sure this has got a keyway in it. And actually none of these have bearings in them, so that should be the only one that has bearings. Hopefully it don't happen again. So hey, if you like what you're seeing, how about you hit that like, subscribe, share button. It really helped me out. Now that we got it fixed, hopefully we can start pumping out some more lathe videos and start making some sticks. That's what I really want to do with it. So once again, thank you everybody. Hope this helps you. See ya.